My name is May Dickinson and I'm Head of Growth and Admissions at School of Humanity. As Head of Growth and Admissions, I have a very multifaceted role, which I love. So in the admissions element of my job, I get to spend a lot of my time speaking with parents, families and learners who are interested to learn more about School of Humanity and want to know more about our mission and approach to education. Through the growth element of my role, I get the really exciting responsibility of bringing School of Humanity to the wider world and making sure that we can translate our mission, our values, and really our ethos as a school to the wider world, and so that people can learn more about what we do. One of the main reasons I joined the team at School of Humanity was the resonance with its ethos of providing inspiring and progressive education worldwide. I love that at School of Humanity we can really equip learners from all different backgrounds and communities and all over the world with the skills and knowledge that they need to create an inspiring future for themselves and for humanity. We have a really innovative approach to education. Instead of exams or a standardized curriculum, we learn through real-world challenges and real-world projects. So what this means is that every term, learners at School of Humanity can learn by developing their own passions and interests in relation to the real world. So our curriculum does this in multiple ways. For example, it's based off research from OECD and the World Economic Forum on the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Our challenge-based learning model allows learners to learn by tackling real-world challenges and honing in on their own specific interests and passions. In addition to this, we make sure that industry expertise is integrated throughout the term and the learning experience. Each term, learners will be supported by an industry mentor who is an expert in the field of the challenge that the learners are working on. In addition to this, they'll be working on a 2-week micro-internship every term with, again, a real-world organisation relating to the challenge that the learners have been working on. So not only does this allow the learners to develop the knowledge and skills that they've been looking at throughout the term and actually put it into practice, but it also allows our learners to develop their own professional networks by connecting with a range of inspiring organisations and individuals and really getting to learn more about what's out there. And lastly, we also integrate something called masterclasses, which are an opportunity for external guest speakers to come in and share their stories with our learners. And again, really the goal here is to provide real-world experiences, expose our learners to a multitude of different industries, but also to enable our learners to ask questions and be curious, and to meet with inspiring individuals who want to share their mission with our learners. School of Humanity really has a unique approach to community, as we have learners from over 16 countries across 5 continents. This provides a really unique opportunity for learners to cultivate friendships with learners all around the world and to learn more about different cultures and different backgrounds. We know that we cannot reinvent education alone, and it really does take a movement of like-minded governments, individuals, schools and organisations to help us fulfil our mission.